equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a suction cup. These tools are essential for safely disassembling your Huawei GT2 Pro without causing any damage. Start by powering off your device completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Once it's off, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the body of the watch. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could crack the glass further. Next, use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry around the edges of the screen. You'll need to locate the small screws that hold the screen in place. There are typically 4 screws located at the corners of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. After removing the screws, gently lift the screen away from the body. You may encounter some adhesive. If so, use the plastic opening tool to carefully detach it. Take your time with this step to prevent any damage to the internal components. Once the screen is removed, it's a good idea to clean the internal area of the watch. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will ensure a clean surface for the new screen to adhere to. Now, take your new screen and align it with the body of the watch. Before securing it, check that all connections are properly seated. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice if needed. Once everything is aligned, carefully press the screen down to ensure it adheres properly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping the threads. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your device repaired without any hassle. After securing the screen, it's time to power on your Huawei GT2 Pro. Check that the screen is functioning correctly and that there are no issues with the display. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen. If you encounter any problems during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Plus, with our no calls, no travel policy, you can have peace of mind knowing that help is just a click away. Enjoy your newly repaired Huawei GT2 Pro. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.